Come on. You know I'm an African man.
And you know here in Africa we eat akpo a lot.
What's akpo?
Akpo, AKPU, akpo, that is fufu.
Oh, fufu.
Yes.
Yeah, I know fufu. I know fufu.
Oh, you know fufu?
Yeah, I'm going to try it someday.
Huh?
Because of you.
You do what?
I'll try it.
Oh, please, I will not be the first person to give you apple because I wouldn't want your father to start chasing me around.
Okay, I want to go to your house.
My house?
Yeah. Take me to your house.
I don't think taking you to my house will be conducive for you. Besides, I spent most of my time in the hotel.
But I'm not complaining. See, you're taking me to your house today. In fact, right now. Right now. Let's go. Which one? Peanut, right?
Yeah, it's peanut, but it's called granite here. But our people, we call it ahon ekere.
Okay.
Oh, very funny. It's not eukarya, it's ahon ekere. Say it. You can do it. Say
it.
Oh my God.
I got it.
Whatever. So, how do you see my place? I hope you like it.
In fact, I love everything about you.
You do?
Imo, I want to tell you something. I don't know if this is conducive, yeah? But I just have to tell you.
Go ahead. I'm all ears. I'm the only one around. Talk. I'm listening. What is it?
Imo, I love you. From the depths of my heart, I love you.
Oh, you can't be serious.
I am.
Come on. How can you love a low-class person like me? Ordinary hotel cleaner. I mean...
You can't question love. It finds its comfort in anybody, anywhere. See, I've found happiness, I've found love, I've found joy and peace in you. So, I'm not gonna let it go. I'm not letting it go. I love you, Imo. Seriously, I do.
Sandra, are you sure you know what you're saying?
Yeah. I've been meaning to tell you this for a long time, but I didn't know how to say it. I love you.
Chineke bi n'eluigwe. Chukwu na-echeta onye echefuru echefu. Chukwu na-echeta nwa mgbenye. Chukwu na-agbanwe ọnọdụ ọjọọ ya bụrụ ọnọdụ dị mma. Isi na ọ agbanyeghị ọnọdụ ọbụla mmadụ nọ n'ime ya na someday sometime ị ga-echange ọnọdụ anyị for good. Ekele dịrị gị.
Are you okay?
Chichetam. Chichetam. Ichetago m. Daalụ.
I say anything wrong? Did I say anything bad? Why are you crying?
No, Sandra. You will not understand. You will not understand.
I'm sorry if I did hurt you.
No. Sandra, I love you too.
Really?
Yes, I do.